new plane. It's my new plane, the can you see that? It's the Leader 480 from E-flite. I just got it a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna open the box and show to you what's inside. So this is it. This is the E-flite. I don't know if you can read that. Advanced electric flight. It's the Leader 480, and there it is, a picture of it flying, a capture of it flying. A nimble sport park flyer that excels at precision aerobatics. So there you go. So that's the plane. It's a nice, elegant looking plane. It doesn't look like a 3D plane. It probably most likely doesn't do 3D maneuvers, but I don't fly 3D myself, so this will be fine. It'll do just perfectly for the type of flight that I do. So that's the list of what it comes with. If you're gonna read that, more than welcome to read it after. It's an ARF, almost ready to fly. So the acronym ARF is almost ready to fly. So it doesn't have a motor. It doesn't have a motor, it doesn't have a speed controller, it doesn't have a radio receiver or transmitter. So it needs all this stuff to complete it. It needs a propeller, ESC, motor, 3-cell battery pack, radio transmitter plus receiver. It requires all this stuff to make it fly. And that's pretty much it. It's, as I said, it's from E-flite. These are some other E-flite airplanes. Has a large magnetic canopy. So what happens with the canopy, it has I think 3 or 4 magnets to hold it in place. Very powerful magnets, and high quality balsa lightweight. This plane is balsa and plywood. And here's a guy smiling while holding it. I think he's the guy who designed the plane, I'm not sure. So that's it. Let's open it. So there's the inside of the box. There's the fuselage. I won't take it out of the plastic. Instruction manual. Leader 480, almost ready to fly, ARF. Rudder. Elevator. Up and down. Can you see it? And the wing panels are in here. My viewfinder keeps going dark. Servo goes in here. The ailerons are here. Oh, it stops over here, the aileron. Doesn't go all the way. Okay. E-flite. The other wing panel. So let's kind of assemble it just for this video. And the other wing panel. goes here, and goes here. It's beginning to look like an airplane. What else? Where's the rudder? Obviously the rudder is not going to stay on. Just to give you a mock-up, it's going to be something, it's going to look like this, something like this. Let's see here. Okay, so hang on a second. The stabilizer goes here, like here. There's a slot down there for the stabilizer, the vertical, the horizontal stabilizer. We call this the horizontal stabilizer, and this is actually the elevator. And then the rudder goes in here as such, in that slot. There's a slot there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the rudder is pretty big. It goes in there, and left right rudder, and then let me see if I can fit it in just for the video. It doesn't want to stay in there, so that's it. It's pretty big. Looks kind of big. It is what it is. Now this takes a 3-cell battery pack, probably 1500 to 2200. I'm missing the cowl on the front for the motor. The landing gears are tricycle landing gear, so that's what I'm talking about. So 2 of the landing gears, one goes on each side of the wing, left and right side of the wing, and one goes up front. See? And that's it. That's how it's gonna be. Anyways, thanks for watching the unboxing of the my e-flite Leader 480. And I don't know when I'm gonna build this because I'm feeling kind of lazy. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Bye bye.